Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to earn Lingots on a Duolingo application. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and download Duolingo application on your phone. Of course, if you don't have that, you would like to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you would like to go and open the application to create your account, of course, if you don't have an account, to start using the application correctly. If you do have an account, just ignore all of that, log into your account, and let's just get straight into this tutorial. So let me just go here and open my Duolingo application, as you should, of course, if you want to follow this tutorial steps, and let's just wait for the application until it loads. So this will be actually your home or your main screen on the application. And if you want to of course your main screen will change, it depends on what progress you are in and what language are you learning, of course, but don't mind that. So if you want to earn lingots, which is actually the gems of this application, all you need to do, just complete lessons on Duolingo. So typically you will earn gems or lingots when you meet your daily XP goal, and you can use the virtual currency for purchase and the app, or even the web if you're using it on desktop. So of course, if you click here at your profile again, as well, so click just at this iPhone icon, that's iPhone, sorry. So here it's achievements. If you like successfully achieve this achievement, you will gain XP, which will give you gems as well. So of course you have like another option, which is just buying. So if you go and click at the gems right here, if you scroll down, you will find different packs and different like prices for any pack. So just go and click whatever pack you want, enter your debit card or even the phone number if you can pay by that, and you can buy the gems. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.